Hello everyone, today we're going to be watching some exploding TNT videos. Today we're going to start off with 50,000 TNT versus 500 iron golems. Remember to subscribe and leave a like and comment below on what you want us to do next. What the heck? Let me go up here, right here. Let's see if it's going to work now. Guys, if this doesn't work, then I guess we're just going to be playing Minecraft. Top secret Minecraft hacking mission.
What are you guys playing?
We're supposed to be playing Game of War, but this one player. Yeah, the Legend 27.
Sorry y'all guys had to see that. But that dude said a cuss word, so I had to cut it down for young viewers. And the video's starting now. What the heck is pink sheep?
Exploding TNT, you need to follow me. I found something very strange.
What the heck is that? A pink sheep with a mustache. You just gotta be kidding me.
Just follow me. I found this by finding it.
You hear that, everybody? He found it by finding it.
This time you will be blowing up iron golems. Iron golems are way more powerful than creepers. I think they can survive way more TNT compared to creepers. Exploding TNT. Are you sure you want to know? I have no idea because I can only count to 43 lol. Exploding TNT, you're just gonna have to blow it up and hope it doesn't blow up your computer because it looks like a lot of TNT.
Many months later.
Okay, I got one thing to say. That was a big explosion. I'm surprised those iron golems didn't die. Well, back to the video.
Yo, homie Golem, look. That's the guy who tried to blow you up.
Just saying, that was a very weird video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and leave a like. Yeah.